Yes, halloj! New vlog! New things to do! Yes, okay, so today, today is Friday, halloj, and tomorrow I'm going to go and buy myself new flooring. Like I have to buy, like I have 3 different kind of floors in my apartment and I want to buy one cohesive one. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. But that means that I kind of want to like clean up because I haven't been home for a week. So it's messy again. I have to clean and like stash away stuff so it's easier to like move furniture and stuff. Yeah. I made myself lists. So I have to like clean up and literally like get rid of, like I don't want to have my TV stand anymore and like, you know, stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do today. And then I have like one of my colleagues has quit. Or yeah, it's my colleague's last day today. So I'm gonna go out, eat. And so buy flooring tomorrow, and we have something called Valborg tomorrow, which is like everyone gathers like trash. Is it trash? No, like sticks and stuff, place it in a huge pile, and then you set it on fire. Yeah. But yeah, now it's way too light over here. Okay, so I think I've done everything, sort of. I have removed a bookshelf here. I spaced it out a bit more. This is not done. I kind of want to still have that thing. Those things right there. Spaced it out a bit. This is supposed to be in my couch. Like, it's a lot more, like, airy now in that corner, which is good. No. No. And that will be like it is. I'm gonna get rid of like a little bit of stuff, but I don't want to do that now. I'm gonna fix like a smaller table. I think that will be good. Yeah, okay. I had a thought, a little thought that I'm gonna remove these. And then I realized they are alive and I can't like move them into a dark space. So that didn't go as planned. It's dark again. And then in here, I grabbed that one, filled it up loosely with stuff. These are all of my like Stephen King books and other. It's one more book that isn't. Yeah. And then I removed 2 paintings. You can still see like the hanging things. I'm gonna remove them later, as well as like you can see the nails in the wall over here and over there. I'm gonna remove them later as well because, yeah, it's a lot of stuff. I've done nothing in here because all of this is going in my storage, so I'm gonna think if we can clean it out on Sunday. Depends on how much time I have. This one is gonna move, but all of that. Bye. But I don't want to move it now to my hallway because it's going to be a bit too cramped. Okay, and then in here is my kitchen. I created more space on this one. It looks more intentional now. Looks great. Removed one of the paintings that I had, or posters, as well as posters there and posters there. I got rid of them. So it's a lot more airy now. I'm just like seeing if this works. Why I'm actually doing it, I didn't even, like, I gave you a loose idea why I'm doing this. It's because I am thinking, I'm thinking about moving and therefore selling this apartment. But before I have to like get new flooring, because as I said in the beginning, I have three different kind of floors. I have this is actually like a wood floor, yes. In there it's a lot lighter. That floor, can you focus? Yes, this floor and that floor, that's a carpet, but the floor underneath, it's a plastic rug. Yes, yes. Horrible. And then we have this flooring. It looks like stone thing. It's a plastic carpet again. So I'm gonna move it all and buy something else. So that would be fun. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep that. I'm just gonna like remove a little bit on here before I do anything else. But so far, so good. It feels airier. I'm gonna fix a new table in here eventually. A new table in there. I love my round table. I'm gonna keep it, but for selling purposes, we'll see. We'll see what my broker tells me to do. And in here, I'm gonna have to get rid of those things, the pallets, and place like other stuff. We'll see. Okay, that's the thing that we have now. That time is actually going 1 hour too slow, but that's fine. It's 3:45. I'm gonna have to eat something, get my groove on, because in about an hour or so, but more, I'm going to celebrate a colleague. His last day today, so we're gonna celebrate it. Yes. And I'm also having laundry, so I have to like really time cramp it right now. But I need to eat, put on makeup, find an outfit, and go. Yes. Oakley doke. Let's do this. Yes. Also, I think I'm gonna put something here, but I don't really know what. I think I'm gonna leave it. But I love this wall. I did good. Yes. Okay. I may fix me. Yes. Okay. On my way. I'm late for yours, but here we go. I have a brown shirt on, office pants, makeup. Yes. Oh, and a bag. Let's go. Okay. I am, of course, I'm home, and I'm leaving again. It's Saturday. I went out yesterday. Got home at 1. Yes, it was amazing. We had a lot of fun. Now I am on my way to my parents, the countryside, to meet up with my dad and go floor shopping. So let's go. We're gonna do that and then celebrate the Valborg thing that I mentioned. We celebrate the end of April. Yeah, this is the definition of Valborg. Here you go. Okay, I have to go. But, oh yeah, today's first fete. Wow. All black. Okay, I have this little puffer with a black t-shirt underneath. Yes. And my hiking pants. And this is the shoes that I paid in. Can you tell? It's Nike something. Yes, and sunnies. No earrings, but all my jewelry, like rings and stuff. Let's go floor shopping! Bye! Do I have enough? Barely. Barely. Yeah, Mom! Look at that! I have my floor! So So that's my dad and my floors. Yes! Okay, now I'm just gonna go home, grab a car, get home here, and then we leave for some celebratory valborg. Let's go! I'm stressed. Okay, I just got home again. And I'm stressed, as I mentioned. Why, you might ask, is because I have to leave in 20 minutes to grab the train that I need to take into town for our like beverages and cocktails and stuff inside. So I am stressed. I have no outfits. All my washings are here and there. I do know what jacket I'm gonna have because I love this jacket that I thrifted. So I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna place it on my floor. Look at my new floor. Wow, now I can truly show you. Look, it's gonna be so light. Yay! Okay, we're gonna tackle that tomorrow. Like remove stuff and shit. I have a jacket that I do know that I'm gonna have. I think I'm gonna go with dressy pants. I had them yesterday, so I'm gonna go with dressy pants. I kinda wanna have, like I have this very cute bralette. Kinda wanna have that one. And I'm just like feeling plain old white long sleeve. I placed all of my laundry in here. A white long sleeve. Do I even have a white long sleeve? Is this a long sleeve? Oof. It was, but I do think that I had two. Maybe I have the other one. Jesus. Okay, I have two now. I'm gonna try them on and see which one I like. I think like black and white, how hard can it be, you know? That, makeup. I have to charge my phone. Okay. Let's go. I'm ready. It got so basic. It's a white t-shirt, the bralette underneath, and pants. And makeup. With a little liner. Smudgy lip. This will be good. I have money. That's good. I need my keys. Ow. Okay. I'm ready for a night out. I'm gonna freeze, but this is fuzzy all the way inside, so hopefully I won't. So, hang on. Tag along, my friends. FYI, it's 6 and it's just 10 degrees, so it will be cold. Oh wow, I really do look rough. Okay, I just woke up. It's 11:45. And I was out last night and got home by... Hold on. Yeah, I was out last night and got home by 3. So I went to bed at 3:30 a.m. Now I'm up, which is good, of course. But I have half an hour to get ready before I have to go to this apartment listing with my parents. It's for their apartment. So we'll see. And then I will get home and just... this mess. And my plan for today is actually to sort that out and push everything into my storage and clean out my storage, because next week we have a container that comes so we can like dump shit. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Wish me luck getting ready in 30 minutes. I'm gonna eat McDonald's on the way. So I'm gonna do something for myself. Six-pack nuggets, apple juice, and McFeast. Okay, I'm home again. Ooh, it's warm outside, but my plan is to move as much as possible in my storage, if it wants to focus, Jesus Christ. As much as possible in my storage, and then get the cushions for outside, because I feel like now is a good weather to place the cushions. So I'm gonna grab them, because then I have more space in my storage. And then I feel like I want to go for a walk and maybe sit outside and read a book. It's 3 o'clock. I hopefully can get rid of all of the storage things in like a half an hour. Walk for like an hour or so, I don't know. And then it will be 5:30. It will be around 5, and then eat food. And yeah, read the book. So let's go. Storage time. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.